Hello golfers, today we're going to see what are the different hip mobility exercises you guys can do at home by yourself. I have my wonderful team here, Dania, our kinesiologist, Roop, my assistant, to show you guys some hip mobility exercises for you guys. You're a man or woman, doesn't matter, you do this, you get better. Hip mobility is very important in the golf game. We're going to start with exercise number 1, your hip rotation drill. Okay, internal rotation is very important for the golf, and this is the drill, you can use it for that. Let's go. Just sit nice and tall, put your hands in the back, and then do alternate rotations like this. You're internally and externally rotating the hip alternatively and with good breathing, okay? And maybe at the end, stay for a couple of seconds and then come back to the other side. That's your exercise number 1 for hip mobility. Okay, moving on to Roop. Roop is going to show the 90-90 stretch for the hip. This is good to stretch your hip capsule and keep your 90 degrees here and your 90 degrees here, and make sure you sit on the top. Once you get more control, you can try to take your hands off and put your hands in the front if you want to, and that good breathing. And if you want to incorporate some rotation on top of it, you can go for rotation nicely and 90-90 as well. So you are putting a spinal rotation on the split hip at 90-90, okay? Work your way into it, couple of sets of 6 or 8 with good breathing, and that's a great stretch for the hip. And then you have to switch sides after. Roop, can you? Good. On the other side. Good. That was your exercise number 2. The third important exercise for the hip mobility is the fire hydrant exercise, and it's also a single leg stability exercise along with your hip mobility. I'm going to ask Roop to show you that. Stand on one leg, and right now she's standing on her left leg, and she's going to move her right leg. It's kind of a hip abduction, and then you're going to come down and then relax. Just work on that. There you go. She's also see how much the left leg is also working to stabilize. That's important stability, and also you're mobilizing your hip. So you have to do it on both sides, maybe 6 to 8 reps, couple of sets, it'll be great. So these are the hip mobility exercises. If you need more ideas, if you want to do a golf screening under a TPA certified physiotherapist, reach out to us, Giri Srinivasan at Instep Physiotherapy. When you call, make sure you want to make an assessment or a screening for golf, then we'll screen you under the TPA model, and we have a separate app for it, and then we'll find out what are the movement dysfunctions or efficiency controls you don't have, and if you need any strength and conditioning for golf, we can develop a program with my wonderful team here, and we can enhance your game and get you more yards for your swing. Bye.